morning. Stay down. Stay down. So we got 3 visitors today. I wonder if it's the same 3 from yesterday. I'm gonna say yes. Anyway, they're keeping their distance. They can clearly see the food that I got out for them. I got some noodles. I got some flavored noodles and some Vienna sausages out there for them today. So let's see if they want to eat that. I think they're just too scared to come down to the yard. But this is day 4. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Welcome to Louis' Kitchen. We burn everything. So here's my breakfast. I've got a beef burrito with some avocado and some seasoning, some cheese, some crunchy cheese, and some coffee. Oh yeah. So here's a couple of my fine feathered friends. They're letting me know that they're here, but they're still too shy to come down and eat. They want some. I put a burrito down for them. So I know they're gonna enjoy that if they ever come down and get it, but right now they're just being too shy. Stay tuned. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm inside the van and I'm kind of like contorted in a very strange position to get this shot because I don't want to scare them off. Uh-oh, I think one of them came down to eat. Let me see on the other side. Okay, so this is something that I purchased from Amazon a few days ago, and I figured I'd just go ahead and unbox it here because that's the thing to do. All right, very nice little case. Look at that, like a little handbag. A little camp stove. And I've seen this thing put together already once before, so I kind of know a little bit of how to put it together. And now that I say that, I'm probably going to struggle to get it together. So it's got this plastic protective whatever that I'm going to remove right now. Okay, so this is upright. Comes with this little tray and these two racks. And these two sliders. I think it goes through here. It goes through here. Oh, there you go. Okay, goes in there. Here's the little door. Huh? It's kind of flimsy. Then these go in the holes like so. It's got 3 levels. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go with the lowest level. So it goes in there, and they come out that way. Okay, it's kind of flimsy. Then this one goes in there. I think it's this one. Okay, so that kind of strengthens it. Now it's less flimsy. Now it's in there pretty good. And then this sits on top. Oh yeah, like that. There it is. It's a little camp stove. Here's a view of the top. It's pretty shiny, but it's not going to stay shiny forever. And here's the door. Huh? Pretty cool, huh? You can feed charcoal in it and grill on the top. There's the grate. Very nice, huh? But what I'm gonna do, I walked around the yard earlier and I found a bunch of twigs. I'm just gonna feed some twigs in it. So, if I ever run out of propane, but I want to boil some water, I mean, I got a microwave, but if I'm not here, I just want to see if I'm like out camping somewhere. If I gather a handful of twigs, let's see. Well, it's definitely burning hot. Now we wait. You know, that thing is giving off some heat. Oh, yeah. There's the temperature of the water. That took about 5 minutes. So yeah, I like it. And it's very inexpensive. And you can collapse it. And it fits in this little handy dandy carrying case. So, 1, 2. Hey, you talking smack to me? 2 thumbs up. Cheers. Oh yeah, I'm out. Over here watching our favorite YouTuber. Getting ready to call it a night. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. All right. We're gonna lay back and fall asleep. Hope everyone's having a good night. Much better. This guy's pretty good, man. This guy's kind of funny sometimes. Good night.